Hi guys, today we are making 3-minute fudge. Here are the ingredients: sweetened condensed milk, chocolate chips, mint extract, and sprinkles of any of your choice. Step 1. Put the parchment paper into the pan. Step 2. Get a bowl. Also, put in condensed milk, 1 whole can.
Hi. Can I taste it?
Also, put in 2 cups of chocolate chips. Put it in.
1, 2. Put down.
Next, add this mixture into the microwave for 1 minute. Then, stir it until smooth. If it's not smooth until 30 seconds, then put it in for 30 seconds. Next, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of mint condex into this mixture right here. Next, I'm going to pour this mixture into this pan.
Is it going to stick on the paper? Is it going to stick on the paper?
Just pause it. You can add sprinkles if you want. Next, you can put this to cool, and then you can cut it into little squares. That is 3-minute fudge. Thank you.